corner of the damn, like literally, I put my shit in the corner of that, and I come back out, and that shit look like the car started and just made it fall. But anyways, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, today we are going to be doing a no talking POV or ASMR POV, whichever one whichever one I put in the title. But yeah, we'll be doing that. So it is cold as shit outside. I ain't gonna lie, like my hands got down. Look at that shit. Like my hands, that shit, dog. It look goddamn like ugh. And I want to roll down the windows. Well, not the windows, but like the back windows, cause like when you roll down the back windows, it's like your car is like 10 times louder. But anyways, enough with the talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video.
Boring!
That was a track hub. I wish I lived in like a city area, bro. I swear. Alright, man, so at the end of this video off, we're gonna give y'all a little warm start. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my ass back to my room. You feel me? So, my dumb ass. I'm so dumb. My bad, y'all. Here I go. Boom. Hey man, say man, it's your boy Mike. Let me know what other content. Let me know what else. Let me know what other else content y'all want to see. Drop it down below in the description. Make sure you subscribe. If you want to subscribe, to like the video. I do sound a little sick, but it's cool. But anyway, it's your boy Mike, and I'm out.